Okay, now let's talk about Byzantine architecture. In Byzantine architecture, we could really know something that we will make you understand what are the histories of Byzantine architecture. And here are some research and history. In Byzantine architecture, the word Byzantium means Greek colony since 660, and that is a civilization of the Byzantine. In Byzantine architecture, we also include the religions, and in 330 AD, Constantinople became capital to first the official Christian empire. And as far as I know, Byzantine architecture also used the columns like Roman Ionic, Corinthian, and Composite style shift to form a transition from square to abacus to circular shaft. And in Byzantine architecture, there are three types of domes, roof, and ceilings, and it's the simple, compound, and special designs. And in Byzantine architecture, also uses decorations like stone bands instead of moldings, decorative arches, internal marble, mosaic, and fresco decorations. So now, let's talk about the buildings of Byzantine architecture. In Byzantine architecture, there are lots of good and architectural achievement buildings, and the example of it is Hagia Sophia, or it's also called Divine Wisdom, and it's one of the supreme achievements on the history of world architecture. And structurally, the dome rests on pendentives between four supporting arches resting on four-man piers. And there are some facts. Pendentives, supporting arches to four columns supporting for a dome. Piers, another term for columns. Pediments, the triangular shape in the corners of arches to build a dome. Squinch, octagonal structure for building dome. And about the old St. Peter's in Rome, it is erected by Constantine near the site of the St. Peter's Martyrdom. And Constantine is like the ruler during Byzantine time, and in the Martyrdom is a circular building in Byzantine architecture. And about Byzantine architecture, there are lots of terms and meanings that can help you in your history class. An example of it is the belfry or campanile. It is a bell tower either attached to a church or standing alone. Baptistery or baptisteries. It's a separate building or part of a church in which the sacrament of baptism is administered during Easter, Pentecost, and Epiphany. Tombs. Its burial up to the end of the 4th century took place in the catacombs outside Rome, and Christians objected to cremation and instead burial on concentrated ground. And the earliest tomb in cruciform plan is the tomb of Gala Placidia. Here are some example of pictures and videos. Hope you like it.